friends, welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make a Chinese dish and that is Szechuan noodles. Yes guys, this is very delicious, very tasty and very easy to make it. You need to get the perfect boiled noodles which I have shown you in my other video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends and also subscribe for more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate. To make Szechuan noodles, add 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil in a kadhai or a wok. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger and 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped. Roast till the raw aroma diminishes. To this add 2 medium-sized onions, sliced, thinly sliced. Roast till it turns translucent. Keep the flame on a high heat. Chinese is cooked on a high heat so that the crunchiness of the vegetables are retained. It should not be overcooked. Add a cup of carrot, thinly sliced carrot, and cook it on a high heat. Add a cup of capsicum, thinly sliced. Cook the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes on a high heat. Add a cup of French beans. Mix all well and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see all the vegetables are cut in elongatedly. That is, it resembles the noodles. Rice I had chopped. For veg fried rice and Szechuan rice, I had chopped the vegetables finely to resemble the small grains of rice. Also add fine slices of long elongated slices of onions. This is the onions from the spring onions. So just add that to the vegetables and cook it with it. Add greens of spring onions. This is also, you can see, I have cut into diagonal shape to resemble the noodles. Add a bowl of sprouts and mix it well. Add salt to taste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 to 3 heaped tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. You can also add red orange food color to impart a nice bright red color to the dish, but this is completely optional. Now mix this well and cook it. Also add a tablespoon of green chilies, finely chopped. You can add it quite earlier like with the onions. Finally add the noodles and now mix it well. To mix the noodles well, you can just cut it from the center so that the noodles break up and it's easier for you to mix it. And now with the pair of tongs, just go on mixing it. Finally add 2 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it well. So now Szechuan noodles is ready, so you can serve it hot. I hope you must have enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next episode with one more delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.